We're getting ready to drop a tornado, fellas. Just so you know. Currently sitting just north of Nash, Oklahoma, just off of Oklahoma 132, north of Oklahoma 60 in Alfalfa County, Oklahoma. It is about 3:30 p.m. on Monday, May 10. Rotation too. A lot of rotation. Debris in the road, Douglas. There she is. There she is. Got her, Tyler. Got pictures. There it went. Keep watching it. Keep watching it. No, keep going. Stop where they stop. There's a ton of rotation there, boys. Ton of rotation. Go on past her if you can. All kinds of poles snapped here on the north side. Looks like the main power lines are on the north side of the road where it went through. Got tree damage up here as well. Still looking for lines on the road. I'll let you know. KC0EFQ Mobile. Doug, watch for lines up here. The barn's fine. Okay, got debris in the road. Debris is in the eastbound driving lane here, about a half a mile east of where we was at. Hang on a second. Roll the window down. Go on past him here. Go pull up right beside him. Make sure he's okay. Pull up beside him, around, go around to him.
This side?
Yeah. You guys okay?
Yeah, we made it all right.
Okay.
Thank you.
They're good. I checked on those folks there, guys, at the house. They're fine. Go east.
Turn the right turn, it's just a mile outside of Medford.
Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Find a spot. Okay, it looks like we're going to try to tour here for a minute here. We're going to pull off on the side of the road after when we get a good spot. KC0EFQ.
Copy, in 30 feet.
Oh, maybe down here in the parking lot.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a good visual of the wall cloud. We are getting into some rain. That's the reason I was asking about the hail.
Copy that. And another little cell trying to fire up between us and the storm pit for the down south.
Okay, you're my eyes. I have no data.
Copy.
Tyler, you watching this feature off over here?
I can't see.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Okay, it's County Road 890. County Road 890. We're going to continue east into probably Medford, I think is the town we're at.
Copy.
Clear things. I don't think it's tornado damage. I think he just spun out and lost it.
Wind knocked it over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
That's not good.